The persistent myth that investing is only for the wealthy. It's a belief that's been perpetuated for far too long, leaving many folks feeling like they're locked out of the world of wealth building. But let me tell you something, dear viewer, it's time to shatter this myth into 1,000 pieces and reveal the truth: investing is for everyone. Sure, it's easy to assume that you need a fat bank account or a six-figure salary to dip your toes into the stock market or real estate game. After all, investing requires money, right? Well, yes and no. Let's break it down. For starters, investing doesn't have to mean pouring thousands of dollars into the stock market or buying up rental properties left and right. Nope. Investing can be as simple as setting aside a small portion of your paycheck each month and putting it into a low-cost index fund or retirement account. But wait, there's more. Thanks to the magic of compound interest, even small contributions can add up over time, turning a modest investment today into a tidy sum tomorrow. Whether you're saving for retirement, a down payment on a home, or just a rainy day fund, the key is to start early and stay consistent. And let's not forget about the power of education. You see, investing isn't just about throwing your money into the market and hoping for the best. It's about understanding the fundamentals of finance, doing your research, and making informed decisions based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. But here's the kicker: investing isn't just about making money, it's also about building wealth for the future. Whether you're a young professional just starting out or a seasoned veteran looking to secure your retirement, investing can be a powerful tool for achieving your financial dreams. So there you have it, folks. The next time someone tells you that investing is only for the wealthy, tell them to think again. Investing is for everyone, regardless of your income, background, or net worth. With a little knowledge, discipline, and patience, you too can build wealth for the future and achieve financial freedom.